everyone. Hope you all doing well. Today we learn Unit 3 lesson Robinson Crusoe discovers a footprint written by Daniel Defoe. This story is extracted from the main story of The Adventures of Robinson Crusoe. He himself is the narrator of the story. Narrator means a person who tells the story or describes the events of the story. Robinson Crusoe desired to go for several sea voyages. This present story describes one of his sea voyages. Robinson Crusoe's ship was wrecked and he was the only survivor in the ship. Wrecked means a ship that has been destroyed. And another word, survivor, means a person who is able to live in spite of difficulties. Let me continue. He washed up onto a shore of a desolate island. Desolate means a place without people. He had been alone for many years on the island and longed for company. One day, he discovers a footprint on the sand. Let's find out what he did then. Book reading. One day, when I was going towards my boat, I was surprised to see the footprint of a man on the sand. I stood amazed. I listened. I looked around me. Here I refers to Robinson Crusoe. The word amazed means surprised. Explanation. One day, Robinson Crusoe was surprised to find a footprint on the sand. He noticed the footprint while he was going towards his boat. It was a footprint of a man. On seeing the footprint, he stood in surprise. He listened carefully and looked around himself to check someone's presence. Back to book reading. I could neither hear nor see anything. I went up higher to look down. I went up the shore and down the shore, but it was no good. I could find no other footprint but that one. Explanation. As he looked around himself, he was trying to hear or see someone's presence on the seashore. He ran around the area. Even he ran up the seashore and looked out in all directions, but there was only one footprint on the sand and no other. Book reading. I went to it again to see if there were any more footprints and to tell if it had not been my imagination. But I was not mistaken, for there was exactly the print of a foot, toes, heel, every part of a foot. Explanation. Since he thought it might have been his imagination, but at the same time he was sure that it was real. He searched for more footprints, but he could not find any. He was sure that it was the footprint of a man because it had toes, heel, every part of a foot. Back to book reading. I could not imagine how it came there. I stayed a long time thinking, but became more and more confused. Explanation. He was not able to imagine the footprint on the sand as he was alone on the land and had not come to that part of the land for a long time. He remained thoughtful for a long time that whose footprint it might have been on the sand. The more he thought about the footprint, the more he became confused. Book reading. At last, I returned home very frightened, looking behind me after every 2 or 3 steps, mistaking every bush and tree to be a man. Explanation: all of a sudden, he was scared of someone's presence on the seashore. Scared means afraid. He was filled with fear and fled towards his cave, turning back every 2 or 3 steps to see whether he was being chased or not. Fled means ran quickly, and chased means followed. Let me continue. He mistook all the trees and bushes chasing him as men. Back to book reading. When I came to my cave, which I called my castle, I ran inside it as if I was being chased. I do not remember whether I used the ladder or went in by hole in rock, which I call the door. I ran for cover faster than any animal could run. Explanation: he reached his cave in which he had been living for many years. He called his cave castle. Castle means a strong building where a prince or noble resides. Resides means lives. Let me continue. He entered his cave in a rush, as if he was being chased by someone. He did not remember how he entered his cave, whether with the help of a ladder or the hole in rock, which he called the door of the cave. He ran so fast that no animal could run and reached his cave for his protection. Protection means safety. Let's see what happens next. Book reading. I did not sleep that night. The more I thought about what I had seen, the more afraid I became. I thought it could be one of the savages of the mainland who had wandered out to the sea in a small boat. Explanation: Robinson Crusoe could not sleep or stayed awake that night. He stayed in his cave for many days. After seeing the footprint, he got much afraid, thinking it could be the footprint of one of the savages who came from the mainland. He imagined that one of the savages wandered and landed on this island in a small boat. Difficult words and their meanings. First, savage, which means wild people, belong to early stage of civilization. Another meaning is a savage is a cannibal who eats the flesh of other human being. Next word, wandered, meaning to go around without any purpose. Back to book reading. Luckily, I was not on shore at the time. But what if he had seen my boat? If he had seen the boat, he would have realized that someone lived on the island and would soon return with others to kill and eat me. Explanation: Robinson Crusoe felt himself lucky as he was not present on the seashore when the savage came there. If the savage had seen his boat, he would have understood that someone lived on the island. He would come back soon with a group of savages to kill and eat him. Book reading. And so I lay fearful for many days and prayed for protection. In doing so, I was much comforted and began going out to investigate. But even now, as I went forward, I looked behind me frequently because I was still very frightened. Difficult words and their meanings. First, comforted means relaxed. Second, investigate meaning check. And the next one is forward, which means move ahead. Explanation: he was so scared or afraid for many days and prayed for his safety. As he had been praying for his protection, he became much relaxed and went outside to check anybody's presence. While he was going out, he often turned back since he was still fearful. Back to book reading. However, as I went about for 2 or 3 days and saw nothing, I became a little bolder. I decided to go down to the shore again and examine the footprint once more. I decided to measure it with my own foot mark. As I came closer to the footprint, I realized that it would not be my footprint because I had not come to this part of the beach since a long time. Secondly, as I placed my foot alongside that footprint, it seemed larger than my own. Explanation: he continuously went to the shore for 2 or 3 days and found no other footprint. He plucked up his courage and decided to go to the seashore again to check the footprint once again. He thought of measuring the footprint with his own foot mark. When he reached closely to the footprint, he felt that it could not be his own foot mark because he had not come to this part of the shore for a long time. Secondly, he measured his foot by the side of that footprint. He confirmed that it was not his foot mark because it was bigger than his own footprint. Book reading. My fear returned. I went home again believing that there was someone there. The island was inhabited. This story is adapted from Daniel Defoe's Robinson Crusoe. Explanation: he was sure that it was not his own footprint. In fact, the footprint was bigger than his own, which made him fearful, and he returned to his cave believing that someone must be there on the island. At the end of the story, he was sure that someone else too living on the island, that is, the island was inhabited. From this story, we have learned that Robinson Crusoe has been living lonely for a long time on the island, feels to have some company. When he could not find the other footprint, scares him, and he feels it is safer without the company now. That's all the story. Hope you all have learned and enjoyed the story of Robinson Crusoe discovers a footprint. Next, we'll learn new words and their meanings. Word: savages. Meaning: wild people in primitive stage. Primitive stage means early stage of civilization. Sentence: he was frightened by a savage scream. Frightened means afraid or fear. Screamed means a long loud cry. Word: mainland. Meaning large continuous extent of land. Sentence: they swam towards the mainland. Swam is the past tense of swim. Word: wandered. Meaning go from place to place without a definite route. Sentence: he wandered miles and miles. Miles and miles means a very long distance. Word: bolder. Meaning more confident. Sentence: she became bolder to speak on the stage. Word inhabited meaning occupied or dwelled in. Sentence this forest is inhabited by wild animals. Hope you all have learnt the new words along with their meanings. With this, we wind up our today's class. See you